Out the door. Look here. Come here. You see, I told you that we can do content, right? So you are telling me to start doing film on this channel. Now, you say, Daddy, this is your travel content. You'll be moving from one place to another. So start doing film. I say, okay, my son, I will do that. And he said, thank you, Daddy. Is that what you said? Did you say that? Eh? Say, thank you, Daddy, for staying at home, doing the content together. So you'll be here, we'll do our content together, right? What's that? Hello? Go make call. Take a make call. Hello? Hello? Hello, yes. On the door, how are you? Hello? 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 Alright guys, so this is me and my son. My son and I, we are here. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Alright. We'll be updating you every time, so that you can catch up. So that you can catch out. Is it catch up? No, it's not catch up. Catch up with us, yeah. So that you can catch up with us. Me and my son. My son and I. Hello? Yes. How are you? Are you home? Hello, mommy? Hello? Hello? Yes, okay. Yeah. You see, he wants me to make call. Yeah. Alright. Thank you. Bye. Don't drop the phone, no, please. Do not drop the phone. Hello? Yes. 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 Yeah. Yes.